The hiking starts near O'Brien Beach on Meech Lake, which you can visit before or after beginning hiking towards the ruins. The beach is rather small, but it offers a nice place for relaxing, picnic, swimming and canoeing on the lake. To reach the hiking trails you can park in P11, which is a paid parking location near O'Brien Beach. From there, take the path number 35, which is part of the Great Trail, a continental hiking trail connecting the Atlantic to the Pacific Ocean in Canada. The trail is about 4 kilometers out and back, which would take 1.5 hours to complete. It is mostly an easy route with a small hill along the way and a rocky section by Meech Creek where the ruins are located. It is open year-round, making it a top destination to venture into the nature of the park. The trail cuts through a thick forest, down a hill towards Meech Lake, which is absolutely breathtaking for its beauty and surrounding nature. All year round, this is a great place to come and enjoy such good quality nature in the National Capital Region. A well-indicated sign lets you know of the detour to follow to reach the Wilson Carbide ruins. Dogs are not permitted in winter, a season in which access is restricted to pedestrians as the trails get groomed for cross-country ski and winter activities. Wilson Ruins is a captivating place somehow hidden in the middle of Gatineau Park in Chelsea, Quebec. It's an abandoned industrial factory surrounded by a forest with a nice waterfall as one of its key attractions. The ruins, called Wilson Carbide, are named after the Canadian inventor Thomas Leopold Wilson. He was a Canadian pioneer of the electrochemical industry, with over 70 patents in his name. The inventor's fame and his nickname Carbide come primarily from his discovery in 1892, while he was working in the United States, of a calcium carbide manufacturing process. In 1907, Wilson purchased for 60 acres of land at Meech Lake for his summer home. He used the site to advance his research on nitrogen. 4 years later, he built a dam, a generating station and an acid condensation tower near his home, at Meech Creek, on the shore of Meech Lake. The National Capital Commission bought the land in 1979. The ruins of the former mill, part of the power station and the base of the acid condensation tower that survived the fire are all that remain of the plant. The ruins were never preserved, which gives them a very charming and mysterious look, very well enjoyed by photographers.
Told your friend you're not okay. Tell me what's wrong.